Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the phone app and tapping Recents. That shows your call log. Once there, tap the three-dot menu or more to reach Settings. This is where you control deletion, filters, and display. Make sure you grant phone and contacts permissions when requested, because without them you cannot edit or export entries. While you're in Settings, glance at call history options to choose display order versus grouping. That choice simplifies the next steps and saves time. Now you edit individual entries or clear many at once. Long press any call to see delete, details, or block. Tap details to change contact associations, then save changes. To remove multiple records, use select or edit mode in the menu, mark items, and press delete. This is faster than single deletion. If you need to keep numbers, export or backup contacts first because deletion is irreversible. Once done with edits, return to Settings to confirm your display and sync preferences. Finish by syncing with your cloud account so changes persist across devices. Make sure sync is enabled in accounts. If edits don't show immediately, force close the phone app and reopen it, or reboot the phone. That refreshes the database. For persistent problems, clear the phone app cache, check for system updates, and retry. If calls still reappear, verify permission and account settings. If needed, restore from a recent backup. One tip: always export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.